So I was looking to take my video quality to the next level, so I decided to upgrade my microphone set to the Hollyland microphones. Hi, my name is Marlena, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone set. So these are mini button microphones that you can use regardless of what your setup is. These are universal microphones, so they work on iPhones, Androids, or a standard camera. So let's jump in. So this is what the packaging looks like. And opening up the box, you got a little packet here that has the manual that comes with the microphones. And inside you get a little set of stickers that you can use to customize your microphone. So it's just little emoji stickers here. Let me take it out so you can see. So these are the stickers that you get to make your microphones very customizable, which is very nice. I also like that they give you just the color options of just making your microphone white or black. In case you didn't want the Hollyland logo on your microphones, you can definitely just black them out with these stickers here. Okay, so opening up the case, this is what it looks like on the inside. You have your 2-button microphones here, and then you have the camera microphone here, which I'm not going to say too much in this review video about the camera microphone, just because I'm not planning on using this, nor have I used one before. So I really have no comparison or experience with telling you much about these. But it does have a little clip here to clip it to anything you need to. And then it has a little volume control knob here, as well as some buttons on the side. The primary reason why I bought this microphone set is for the 2-button microphones here, which are super small in size, as well as they're very lightweight. And that's what with the Hollyland, they say that these Lark M2 microphones are the lightest on the market. And with these microphones, they can last as long as you don't have the noise cancellation feature turned on. These microphones can last up to 10 hours. And on top of that, this case can charge the microphone set an entirety of 2 times. So it gives you a long time of using these microphones without having to worry about your battery dying. And then also, if you were planning on using the microphone for the camera, this can last up to 40 hours. And just very impressed with how long the batteries can last on this microphone set. On the front of the case here, you do have a little power indicator here that lets you know how charged the case is. That way you can keep track of when the battery is low and when it needs to be charged. Opening up into the bottom of the box now, this is where you have a little pouch full of goodies that I'm about to go through with you. Inside the pouch, there is a slip pocket with a divider in the middle, so it can help to keep things organized and separated. But inside the pouch, you have a couple of lanyards here that if you wanted to wear your microphone as a necklace, you can use these little lanyards here. So I'm going to go ahead and take one out so you can see what that looks like. So this is what the lanyards look like, and they are magnetic, so it makes it very easy to clip your microphone to whenever you're using it. I'm gonna go ahead and take out one of the microphones now. So very easy if you wanted to wear this as a necklace because of the lanyard. So I like that is an option of how to wear the microphone. That is very different compared to other microphones I've had in the past. This is a new feature that I'm not used to having. Inside the pouch, you also have 2 wind muffs, which is very nice if you're recording outside and it's a windy day. This will help to muffle the sound of the wind on your microphones. This is also something else that doesn't come in with every single microphone set, even though I think it should, just because it gives you a lot more options as far as recording in different environments without having the sound of the wind in the background on your videos. So it does come with 2 wind muffs here. So in the bag, you also have a charging cable, which has this really nice little Velcro loop, which I love when my charging cables have that. It just helps to keep them together. But you can use this to charge your case or your microphones. And then you have a little auxiliary cable here. So if you plan on using the camera mic, this is what you would need. Last thing you get in the pouch is a pair of microphone clips. So another awesome way to use your microphone set without being limited on the setup of how you can use these mics. You get a pair of magnetic clips to put on your microphones. So if you did not want to use the little magnetic disc on the back, you can easily replace it with the clip. So this is another great option if you plan on using your microphones on your hat, or if you wanted to clip it to your shirt or collar. So one thing I wish could have been improved would be the storage case for the microphone set. I have the combo set. So with this model, it does not have the slots in the case where you can store the transmitters, which I really am kind of bummed about. But if you buy the microphone set that is more specific for your cell phones, I do see that the case has storage spaces for the transmitters. I just wish that the combo one had the space for the transmitters as well, just because I like to keep everything together. But other than that, I'm super pleased with the microphone set so far, and I'm excited to use them in my upcoming videos. And even though this case does not have those spots to store the transmitters, I am happy that it comes with this nice pouch, because a lot of the other microphones I've had in the past, they don't have that. So I am happy that it at least comes with the pouch to keep everything together. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.